Hi guys, before you start your math sheet for today, this one, I want to review really quickly the subtracting mixed numbers. We did this all last week with the subtracting and adding mixed numbers, so I think you'll be okay, but I just wanted to go over the first two with you, just as a little practice, and of course, if you have any questions while you're doing it, reach out to me. But let's do A, okay? I want you to get your paper out. Again, it's this one. I want you to get that out while I am doing this with you. Okay, so the first fraction for A is 8 and 5/8 minus 4 and 1/4. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is that it's written vertically up and down. I know some of you don't like it like that, but the truth is you're going to see it written this way and long ways. Okay, so you have to know how to solve both. The steps are exactly the same. All right, so we're going to leave our whole numbers alone for now, but you have to look at the denominator. So I've got an 8 and I got a 4. So we know that we can't subtract them yet because the denominators are not the same. Okay, so we have to make them the same. And if I look at 8 and I look at 4, I have to find a common denominator. And I know my common denominator for 8 and 4 is going to be 8. Okay, now the good thing is we don't even have to change this fraction at all. We're just going to leave that alone. But we do have to change this one. So in order to get my denominator to be 8, I need to multiply by 2 my denominator and my numerator, because remember, whatever you do down here, you got to do up there. And then I'm going to have to make my new fraction. So now that I multiplied, I have to make a new fraction. So my new fraction is going to be 4, and 1 times 2 is 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. So my new fraction is 4 and 2/8. Now, I didn't have to change this, so I'm just going to move this right on over. So that's going to be 8 and 5/8. Now it's 8 and 5/8 minus 4 and 2/8. And now you just subtract. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 2, because remember, you're just subtracting those numerators. Can you see that? 5 minus 2 is 3. And your denominator is going to be 8. Because that's what we just found, okay? So that answer was 4 and 3/8. Okay, that's for A. Okay, now we're going to do B. I think this will be pretty easy for you, okay? Okay, B, that fraction is 9 and 5/9 minus 3 and 1/3. Okay, let me fix that line there. Okay, 9 and 5/9 minus 3 and 1/3. It looks like I can easily subtract it, but I can't because my denominators are not the same. So I need to make them the same. I'm looking at 9 and I'm looking at 3. And I know a common denominator for 9 and 3 will be 9. Okay, I don't have to change this one because it already is a 9, but I do have to change this. In order to make this denominator a 9, I need to multiply by 3 on the bottom, by 3 on the top, and once I multiply them, I'm going to get a new fraction, and that fraction is going to be 3, because I keep my whole number, I don't do anything with that. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, okay? And now I can bring this top fraction over because I didn't have to do anything to that one. So I've got 9 and 5/9 minus 3 and 3/9. 9 minus 3 is what? I know you can't answer me. 6. Okay. 5 minus 3, because remember, we're subtracting our numerators. So 5 minus 3 is 2 over 9. All right. And that's it. I think you guys will be fine doing the rest of the sheet. But again, reach out to me through Hangout. If you need it to video chat to do some together, we can do that. Just let me know. And I think we'll just do subtracting for today. And then tomorrow, on Thursday, I will go over the adding one. So we'll do one day of subtracting, one day of adding. Okay? All right, good luck. Let me know if you need any help with this. Bye.